Hey friends, if you wish to install Bing Wallpaper in Windows 11, then just watch this. Now let's say I open the Microsoft Store and search for Bing Wallpaper and hit enter, and then go to Bing Wallpaper and click on install. Just wait and watch, nothing will happen. First of all, let us install it to for me to explain what it means. It will need a while. We can wait till then. Or you can forward the video to the appropriate time. Okay, now once it is installed, we will try to search for Bing Wallpaper and open the Bing Wallpaper app. Okay, does anything open? No. The Bing Wallpaper app exists on the system, but nothing opens. Okay, so the reason is that it is actually part of Microsoft Spotlight. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to personalization, select background, click on this personalize your background option and select Windows Spotlight. It will change automatically every day. This is Bing Wallpaper. You cannot change it automatically. So even if you don't install it, it doesn't really make a difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.